All right, the next step, Corbin is going to put the wires from the battery here, or from the battery clip, into the Play-Doh.
It's great! Welcome to Corban's Fun Learning Adventures. Hi, welcome to Corban's Adventures Learning. I'm Corban, this is Mommy.
Hi!
And today we're going to be doing a Play-Doh circuit.
Yes, so we're going to light up this tiny light here. It's kind of tiny, you can't see, with Play-Doh. So stay tuned. Okay, Corbin, what do we need?
We need some Play-Doh.
All right, Play-Doh.
Balls.
All right.
We need a battery.
What type of battery?
A V9 battery.
Well, 9V battery.
9V battery. Oh, messed up.
It's okay.
A battery clip with wire.
All right, battery clip.
An LED light.
All right, and the LED light. Yes, tiny there. All right, let's get
started.
started. Okay, so the first thing Corbin is going to do is put the battery clip onto the 9V battery.
Yeah.
All right, good job. All right, let's go to the next step. Okay, now Corbin is going to put the LED light bulb into the Play-Doh. So he's going to spread it out and put it in each ball.
Uh-oh, maybe that was too much. Put it like that.
Yep. And put on each ball. All right, just like that. Let's go to the next step. All right, the next step, Corbin is going to put the wires from the battery here, or from the battery clip, into the Play-Doh.
It's great!
Good job! And you see, the Play-Doh here is not touching here, and he made a circuit, an easy circuit with Play-Doh.
If you take this out.
Oh, if you take it out, what happens?
Because if you put it back in, but put it together.
Oh yeah, if you put it together, what happens? It doesn't light up, right? But when you take it apart, it lights up. Good job.
How does this work?
Yeah, so it's a circuit.
But
That's what a circuit is. It's like circle. Sounds like
circle.
yeah, sounds like circle. So you make it a big circle there from the battery to the Play-Doh
To the battery.
to the light.
To the Play-Doh. Battery to the Play-Doh to the light to the Play-Doh to the wire to the battery.
Yeah.
That's the circle.
Yeah, so you just made a big circuit, which is just a big circle. All right, good job.
Thanks for watching. Bye.
Bye. And remember to
Subscribe and hit that like bell.
thumbs up.
See you in the next video. Bye.